Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and today I'm going to be preparing lasagna casual chef style. Let's get to it. We'll be starting off with about ½ pound of hamburger, ground. Let's break it up. Then I'm going to add ½ pound of mild Italian sausage, loose. Now that the hamburger and the sausage are browned, I'm going to add half a red onion. And a few cloves of minced garlic. The onions have done their thing with the garlic. I'm going to add some diced carrot and diced celery. At this point, I'm going to add some kosher salt. And some ground black pepper. Get that stirred in. Doesn't that look good? All right, now we're gonna start adding the tomato products. This is about 14 ounces of crushed tomato. One 15½ ounce of diced tomato. About 4 tablespoons, 4 ounces of tomato paste. And we'll start to get this stirred in. Now that the tomato products are incorporated, I'm going to add about a ½ cup of red wine. Just about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. A couple teaspoons of white sugar. We'll get this all mixed in. Now we're going to add a bunch of herbs. Thyme, rosemary, basil, oregano. I think I said rosemary. And parsley. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Perfection. One last element. Bay leaf. Now we're going to put a lid on it, put it on as low as you can, and we're going to simmer this for an hour. Welcome back. It's been an hour. Let's take a look at the sauce. Ooh, yummy. Looking good. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. Now time for assembly. As you can see, there's already tomato sauce in the bottom of the pan, and I'll be using lasagna sheets instead of the lasagna noodles. These are oven ready, so we're just going to put these just over the top of that very thin layer. We're going to take some sauce, and ladle it on the top of the sheets. Just a nice layer. Then I've got some shredded cheddar. Get that sprinkled in on this layer. Don't necessarily need a full coverage. Now, mozzarella. And I'm actually using crumbled goat cheese instead of ricotta. So that's the first layer, and I'm going to go off camera and finish it up to the top. The lasagna has been completely assembled. The cheese on top is mozzarella, cheddar, and Parmesan. I also sprinkled some dried parsley on the top. So the next step for this lasagna is to be baked. It's going to go in 2 shifts or 2 segments. The first segment is going to be covered with foil, and you want to ensure that the foil is tinted so that it doesn't lay in the cheese and get the cheese stuck. It'll bake for 45 minutes at an oven that's preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then the second segment, you're going to pull the lasagna out of the oven. You're going to remove the foil and then bake it uncovered for an additional 15 minutes. It's been an hour with 2 segments of baking gone by for a total of 60 minutes. Let's take a look. Here's the lasagna straight out of a hot box. Now it's going to rest between 15 and 20 minutes before I cut and plate. And here's the final presentation of the casual chef style lasagna. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have fun cooking.